Why didn't he answer?
Maybe he didn't hear us.
Maybe he can't.
Boy, no!
They knew we were coming.
Don't talk, just heal and let us figure this out.
They've been a step ahead of us the whole time.
I'm sorry, but I can't wait around. We have to go.
We still have the numbers. 3-2. We're faster and stronger. They're smarter.
I don't care who's smarter or faster or whatever. My brother's going to die.
Something's not right. The arrow, the tripwire, the poison. These aren't amateurs. They've never fought us before. And you've never fought on Earth, Liam. We need to stick together.
I need to go.
No, you're not going alone. I'll go with you. Liam, you don't know who they are or what they're capable of. Look, I know who we are. We never give up. Especially when it's someone innocent. When it's someone alone. When it's one of our friends. Okay, go. All of you will catch up. Go, Liam. Go with him. I just need a minute. Go.
You just need to shut up.